Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 89. We are on Unit 8. So this is Lesson 6 Writing, ready to write. So Activity 3, write a summary of a trip to remember using no more than 100 words. So basically this is hard for you maybe because writing a summary is not an easy task. So anyway, you can try your best to write a summary. So a trip to remember, you will need to study pages 60 to 61 of pupil's book. So maybe you may need to read twice maybe. So it's up to you. So anyway, let's begin now. So I will just write around 100 words of this summary. So you may refer to page 88 for guidance. Okay, let's start now. So I will just write one paragraph for this summary. So this is a story about AB and her grandma. AB prefer virtual tennis over playing outside. Okay, sorry, comma. Disregarding fresh air. So grandma wanted AB to experience the outdoors. On AB's birthday, she found an old bite in grandma's workshop. Ignoring grandma's warning, she wrote it and time travel so double L, time travel to a bleak future. By the future, was polluted. So although this is the future, we use past tense for this one. So was polluted. Devoid of nature. Animals. And children. Making AB feel unhappy and eager to return home. Then okay, just now maybe you mislook it, so I readjust the camera again. So then AB paddle backward, returning they're returning to grandma's workshop. She received a time travel, so hyphen travel game, but prioritize real tennis and outdoor play. Understanding the value of fresh air and nature. After her adventure. So this is around 100 words exactly. So if you calculate, so roughly around 100 words. So no more than 100. So activity 4, read and check what you wrote in activity 3. So basically before you write your summary, you need to ask yourself these questions in order for you to write better summary. So did I only include important information? So yes, you can write or check it. Did I describe the main events in the correct order? So make sure it is not wrong order. So is the message of the story clear? So yes. Did I use synonyms to make my text more interesting? So yes. Did I use linking words like because, but, and so? So maybe not, maybe yes. So it's up to you. So basically we just check all. So next, activity 5. You can rewrite the story summary in your notebook. Use the points in activity 4 to improve your work. So the more you practice, the better you are in writing summary. So that's it for this page. So this is Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 89. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can watch the rated contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram robot for free.